By assuming linearity and superposition, hydrologists can use a single-unit hydrograph to estimate flow from various storm events, helping manage water resources and understand basin behavior. Learn how to derive a unit hydrograph here in hydrology. The second example involves a storm which occurred over a specific watershed, where the rainfall produced 2 centimeters of effective rainfall, and a direct runoff hydrograph was recorded at the outlet. We are to derive a 1 centimeter unit hydrograph for the watershed. Having the table, we can plot the coordinates of the direct runoff throughout the 8-hour duration. At T1 is 20 cumex, rising to 60 at T2. Then peak discharge of 100 is observed at T3, which then goes down to 80 at T4. Further decrease is noticed at T5 with 50, then 25 at T6, and 10 cumex at T7, then finally zeroed out at T8. Going back to the problem, it should be noted that the graph is a direct runoff hydrograph, which means the area under the curve is already the direct runoff, and there is no need to separate base flow. So how do we compute for the depth when the area of the basin is not given? Also written in the premise is the rainfall produced given as 2 centimeters of effective rainfall. Stating effective rainfall means the portion of total precipitation that is actually useful for water management. For us to continue deriving the unit hydrograph, we are guided by the equation of unit hydrograph UH as equal to direct runoff over depth or effective rainfall. Hence, with dr of 20, UH is 10. With 60 cumex dr, the UH is divided by 2, giving 30. 100 yields 50 cumex for its unit hydrograph counterpart. 80 divided by 2 is 40. 50 over 2 is 25. 25 upon 2 is 12.5. And 10 over 2 is 5 cumex. At T8, UH is 0. Completing the unit hydrograph column, it is easily visible that 50 is the peak discharge. For your practice, here is another similar problem where the effective rainfall is 2.5 centimeters over a basin during a 3-hour duration. A direct runoff hydrograph is also measured at the outlet as shown. The task is to derive a 3-hour unit hydrograph for the watershed, then determine the peak discharge. Whether you plot the graph or not, you can come up with the coordinates where the peak discharge is 40 cumex per cm. Good luck!